So I have a good question.
Talk to us.
Zack and I see a lot of different policies when we're working with our clients, and not the policies necessarily, but the companies. Does it make a difference, like, say, Tower Hill versus Allstate or State Farm or whatever, like Universal?
Right. I will say this, that marketing works, and it has for a long time.
Yeah.
You know the name State Farm for a reason, because they spend a lot of money on advertising, and it's worked. But they're a great company. I worked with them, and I still stand by that. They are amazing, and they created that whole, like, this is your insurance office, you come to us for all of that, which is maybe why I have that ingrained in me and want to be that type of agent.
Yeah.
But sometimes, yes, you can look up their rating, that carrier's rating to see, but that's also just for financial stability.
Okay.
You can look up reviews, but again, when are people filing reviews?
When they're mad.
Everybody's going to have their own, feeling about each insurance company, and I have my own opinions about it from, my side, where I have to deal with underwriting, I have to call them, and I have thoughts and feelings on that. But I would say that if you have the coverage that you're looking for, and, they have a great satisfaction, I know. If they have an A rating, and they're financially solvent, me personally, I'm gonna go with the premium. That's what I'm gonna do, because it's backed by the state of Florida. It's gonna get paid. Somebody has to pay it. So but I've heard either way.
Now, correct me if I'm wrong. Relative to homeowners insurance, you really only want to pull out and use it when you absolutely need to. Like most repairs and stuff that you're gonna try and either pay out of pocket for or do yourself.
Home insurance is for catastrophic loss only.
Gotcha.
Right. We don't want to just file claims.
It is not a home warranty.
Right.
Got you.
Please don't call me to come have someone fix your fence.
Right.
Is it covered? Yeah. Should you do it? No.
Because it doesn't just follow the person, it follows the home.
It does. And also, you're going to have a claim for a small amount that I would recommend you pay out of pocket to fix.
Right.
Because that claim is going to affect your insurance score.
We run into an issue with the insurance because the sellers filed a claim.
Exactly.
Right. They may also want proof of this repair being made. And if you call the claims department, even if you don't follow through with this claim with your insurance company, it's going to still show that you called, that you opened a claim. It'll just show zero payout, which sometimes can. Then they're going to want to say, okay, well, what you called about this, but then nothing was done. We need proof that this thing that you called about when purchasing a home.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So, but that's why, like having an agent that you can talk to and call and say, hey, if it's a hurricane and a tree took up half your house, just call the claims department and get it, don't hesitate, please. But if it's something that you're not sure of, what I always recommend is get an estimate first. See how much is this going to cost me to actually fix this thing. But you are responsible for your home.
Yeah.
It is your home.
It is your home.
Transactions on tap.